Air we share, reducing pollution, building healthier communities. What is air pollution? Air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere that can have adverse effects on human health, ecosystems, and the environment. These pollutants can be in the form of gases, particles, or biological. Source of air pollution. Firstly, from the transportation emissions. Based on World Health Organization, WHO, transportation emission caused by cars, trucks, buses, airplanes, and ships produce gases such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons through the combustion of gasoline and diesel. Second is the agricultural practices. The methane released from cattle digestion and ammonia and nitrous oxide released from the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that release harmful chemicals into the air. Next, source from industrial emissions. Industrial emissions from factories, power plants, and refineries burn fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which in turn release large amounts of pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, and particulate matter. Lastly, it can be caused by residential emission. Residential emissions can arise from cooking, heating, wood stoves, and waste combustion, particularly in household. Inefficient cooking stoves and open fires emit harmful pollutants such as particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds, which accumulate indoors and contribute to outdoor air pollution. Effect of air pollution. Firstly, effect to human health. For example, cities with health concerns are New Delhi with poor air quality leading to increased respiratory problems, and Beijing with high levels of PM 2.5, which is linked to cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. Continuous air pollution exposure causes allergies, respiratory and cardiovascular disorders, and lung damage. Second, deteriorates materials. Blackening of the surfaces of historic buildings, such as the Parthenon in Greece. Over time, acid rain corrodes metals and erodes limestone and marble structures like monumental buildings. Acid rain and acidic particles corrode stone, metal, and other weather-exposed surfaces, damaging buildings. Next, damage vegetation. Acid rain damages sensitive forest species such as red spruce and sugar maple trees in North America by acidifying the soil and water sources, causing stunted tree growth and poor growth. Acid rain dissolves soil nutrients like calcium and magnesium for plants. Acid rain can harm one species, affecting others that depend on it and potentially damaging the ecosystem. Lastly, may affect the community well-being. The Great Smog of London in December 1952 demonstrated the destructive effects of air pollution on community well-being, as a poisonous mix of coal smoke, industrial pollutants, and sluggish weather caused a 5-day smog in the city. The incident caused 12,000 premature deaths and thousands of hospitalizations due to bronchitis, pneumonia, and asthma, especially in the elderly, children, and people with respiratory disorders. Solution for cleaner communities. Firstly, to protect human health, the transition to clean transportation can be started. Clean mobility, including EVs and hydrogen-powered public transit, can solve this problem. By reducing petrol and diesel vehicle use, NOx, CO, and PM 2.5 emissions, which cause respiratory and cardiovascular ailments, are reduced. Cleaner air reduces asthma, heart attacks, and strokes, benefiting public health, especially in heavily populated cities. Second, urban greening initiatives. High pollution in cities causes poor air quality. Urban greening activities, including planting trees, green roofs, and green walls, improve air quality and vegetation. Green spaces purify the air by absorbing pollutants like CO2 and NO2, releasing oxygen and promoting biodiversity. Urban greenery also reduces the heat island effect and provides shade, improving air quality and ecosystems. This method promotes vegetation health by delivering cleaner air, supports animals, and increases urban aesthetics, improving environmental and social well-being. Next, pollution-resilient construction materials can be used to reduce deteriorated materials. Airborne contaminants can be greatly reduced by self-cleaning surfaces and corrosion-resistant alloys. Paints that neutralize nitrogen dioxide can prevent acid rain-induced discoloration and deterioration. Such materials can extend the lifespan of buildings, bridges, and public infrastructure, reduce maintenance costs, preserve urban cultural and architectural heritage, and improve air quality by reducing pollution. Lastly, community well-being. Promotion of active transport and public transit. Improve community well-being by lowering air pollution, promoting healthy lifestyles, and strengthening social relationships. Promoting walking, cycling, and public transit is vital. Public transit, notably electric buses and trains, and cycling reduce traffic emissions by reducing private vehicle use. Safe cycling infrastructure like bike lanes and affordable public transport can help cities achieve this. This minimizes air pollution, increases physical exercise, reduces traffic, and connects areas, building community. In conclusion, by transitioning to cleaner transportation, enhancing urban green spaces, using pollution-resistant materials, and promoting sustainable transportation, we can significantly improve air quality and create healthier, more sustainable communities. These actions not only reduce pollution, but also contribute to long-term environmental sustainability and improve public health.